I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
It's not something that we see every day lah. You can see that like how incapable of them taking care of themselves, especially feeding. They can't even feed themselves, some of them, and I feel very pity and feel very glad that I'm not like them lah. So that's why it made me think that I should actually contribute more in the future also.
From what I learned in this program is that I have a very high appreciation towards the management because they are doing this routine every day and we are just here for one day helping them, and kind of like I think it's a very hard work for the management also. They do it every day and then we are do it for one day. I already feel like very exhausted already. So I did contribute. I did wash dishes, I sweep the floor, and I peel some potatoes. I don't know, I think so for you eat it out the potatoes, so that's my work. Yeah, that's my contribution to it.
I think we have to be more appreciated what you have now lah, if we compare to them. So stop complaining that I don't have a Chang'e phone, I don't have a Chang'e car, but I think the more than it is not the materialistic, it's more that we can like try to like more communicate with them, try to not like just like you see every day they have to stand, the all routine is the same. So have a chance, try to come back here.
What I've learned is that never take things for granted. We have the ability to take care of ourselves and to feed ourselves and everything. So, and they don't have, they are not as fortunate as us. So I think that we shouldn't take things for granted. And I hope that you guys we can actually organize more for them and give them the attention they deserve.
I feel really touched. Now I know why it's not easy. This world we cannot like say that we're not well enough. To compare with this, we should be happy and thank God. Yeah, well and we can help people. Yeah, I think we should make more of this and maybe in other states as well.
In my opinion, I think that it's just not this. We just help a little bit of it to this one. I feel that we could do so much more next time.
Con los terroristas.
Harlem Shake.